Almighty God, the giver of life, liberty, identity, and our inherent rights, do hereby exercise these rights and establish for ourselves and generations to come this Constitution, setting forth the legitimate legal framework for the governance of the Marshall Islands. We have reason to be proud of our forefathers who boldly ventured across the unknown waters of the vast Pacific Ocean many centuries ago, ably responding to the constant challenges of maintaining a bare existence on these tiny islands in their noble quest to build their own distinctive society. This society has survived and has withstood the test of time, the impact of other cultures, the devastation of war, and the high price paid for the purposes in international peace and security. All we have and are today as a people, we have received as a sacred heritage which we pledge ourselves to maintain, valuing nothing more dearly than our rightful home on these islands. With this Constitution, we affirm our desire and right to live in peace and harmony, subscribing to the principles of democracy, sharing the aspirations of all other peoples for a free and peaceful world, and striving to do all we can to assist in achieving this goal. We extend to other peoples what we profoundly seek from them: peace, friendship, mutual understanding, and respect for our individual idealism and our common humanity.
Mulai, jadi buat ini dengan orang walat. Kau berjalan, kamu berdiri, aja diri rich. Pokoknya yang kaya wujud, ready dalam orang today. We want to thank the young ladies and the singers for taking part, making sure this day is very good event. So I'm really proud of them for doing their part and taking their part and making sure this day is a beautiful one. Now I had a palm of the or children in the man for the whole of nine claim called you. It's a good day. That's a bottom back again. You're already going to call Pacha. Welcoming remark, many can all even counties in Clearwater and me on President Adam the OMC, Mr. Chief Casper, one marker for the welcoming remark. I will now call upon our President of Oregon Marshallese Community Association to please come and say our welcoming remark to each and every one of us.
Components.
Kalau sama dia yang nalawat lata, tiba kala cala hati cini. Kamu berlari gue, easy. Yahweh, greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jess Gasper, President and Executive Director of Oregon Marshallese Community Association. Mokodata lalak nabar yung kamolol, anich, ken army darawa, yung ailangawa, yung uchiyu, iya yung chemene ina, pujin tapo. I'd like to recognize our culture. Kile manadil, Hirojin Lero Rukinat, traditional leaders, chiefs, elders, pastors, Rugagi and Kuribagi, leaders of respected groups, Rudak, Roj and Katuyo Rululu, the Marshallese population here in Oregon. Laptada, Aramit, Madabri, Hijo, Oregoni, Chedringato. A very special recognition to the delegate from Spokane that accompanied our chief, Chetagaya, Kile Talagigino de Spokane, and your roots, Lake Man Chetagayas, Kile Senator Patterson, thank you for being here. He's also with us today. We are honored to have you. Senator United Oregon Patterson, Alabar Uday, Maryland, right here. President Chendrick, Jen the community of Hawaii, Marshallese community of Hawaii, and also the co-chair on National Marshallese Communities Coalition. Former OMCA President Robert Anjing, Mr. Lagarimrip, is also with us for the Chief Ming and Ajing and Rute Pomoda, Mr. Robert. Im all about me, Joe Ragarido, Jenny Toy, Kile Kumi, the Manavella Budi Kapo. I would also like to recognize and thank the women of our community. Elangin ngay panalo. Ke chuang lala pangan kwe mejen lululi kwe mejen community kwe lodging kwe naungi. Tawa karer min anchum jubul bedri perina h venono. They are the heart. They are the backbone. Ipendron when sponsoring the Rarminway Yini in the organizations in support Apano, OCF, Manet, Kienewar, Yola, Rurugowich, churches that represent our community. Thank you for all you do and the support to our community. Come on, can support Wani and Chujugun Berina. Hello, Putin Couple. And last but not least, I would like to recognize all of the players. Coaches, teams that are participating. Team Gora, mayday 22. Thank you for choosing Oregon as the destination to compete and celebrate our Constitution Day. Thank you guys. I think I'm going to mess up this next part. Under the theme, human theme, Lu Jarong, which translates to persevere through hard times, strength to break through the hard journey, strength to break through the hard journey. Parang ilo terego rete. Kajor na libalagan magagad ko rakka aito impid. You know what we call people who are breakthrough, a tough journey? We call them trailblazers. That's right. Ejijiti ngariye bongore ejidin trailblazers. Am I right? That's right. So the next 3 days, our goal, our kattaba, is to provide a safe and fun environment. Celebrate on behalf of ONC, board of directors, and all the Marshallese in this great state, all of Aramijin Organi. Welcome to Oregon Mayday 2022.
Ikaw mo lang, President Inari, alaga yun na we want to thank our President, Mr. Cashford, for some good words. We would like to recognize each and every one of us. We love the rain, ano ginawa man ito rin na, hindi marang kalero, pero ilay mo ang jati kaya yung ito, ito dan, pero ito hari logo kira kira logo din ay nawaran da to the logo din na waktu marang itu ko je jawa mane mo po je kini in kwala kaya logo